Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of World Economies. We've reached the deserts of the Middle East with today's episode, Bahrain. So without further ado, let's get started. Bahrain is a constitutional monarchy. The capital is Manama. Main languages are Arabic, English, Farsi, and Urdu. Main religions are Shia Muslim, Sunni Muslim, Christian, Hindu, and Buddhist. Population is about 1.4 million. They use the dinar as their currency. Bahrain's economy is divided into agriculture 0.3%, industry 38.2%, and services 61.5%. Despite economic diversification, oil remains the leading industrial product and industry. 40,000 barrels of oil are produced a day, and oil refining is also important. Oil production has, however, fallen, while natural gas production has grown. Government-nationalized Bahrain National Oil Company controls most oil production, though other companies are beginning to gain a hold in the oil industry. Other industries include aluminum smelting, iron, ship repair, textiles, and petrochemicals. Offshore and Islamic banking are also major contributors to the economy, and Bahrain is the leading banking center in the Gulf, largely due to economic stability and liberal taxes. The banking sector is relatively resilient to regional economic shocks, and assets have grown to equal several times the GDP at more than $100 billion. Tourism generates about $1.2 billion a year and is being encouraged by the government as a new source of economic revenue. Popular sites include Al-Khamis Mosque, Bab al-Bahrain Market, Fort Khalat al-Bahrain, the Tree of Life, Al Areen Park, Bahrain Racing Circuit, the National Museum, Al Feta Mosque, and Dilmun Water Park. Bahrain's exports are valued at about $14.33 billion. The main export goods are petroleum, aluminum, and textiles. Main export partners are Saudi Arabia, the UAE, the US, Japan, Qatar, and China. Imports are valued at about $14 billion. The main import goods are crude oil, chemicals, machinery, and food. Main import partners are China, Saudi Arabia, the US, the UAE, Japan, and Australia. Bahrain's nominal GDP is $35.31 billion. GDP growth is about 1.7%. GDP per capita is $25,220. Bahrain is the world's 98th largest economy. Unemployment is about 3.8%. The population below poverty line is not available. The labor force is about 830,000, and inflation is about 2.8%. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.